Hey everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl, hey. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the glare. I love my background, but I am thinking about maybe switching it up because as you can see the glare from my lights. But yeah, before we get started, please make sure you like this video. Please subscribe. And thank you always for coming by. And today we're going to talk about the Babe Box. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So if you follow the Honeybee shop, Shan has her own box, monthly box, planner box. And so for the Babe Box, it is called Just Peachy. And as you can see, it comes with this really cute pencil case. And I have some goodies inside. So I'm going to set these aside so then we can talk about it. And there it is, and here is the cute pencil pouch zip, and it kind of looks like a peach, so it goes really well. I dig graph paper. Graph paper is my jam, so I love it. I love the whole kit. So we get a pencil case, and then, you know what, let's go with the paper. I always like to kind of start with the paper. So again, here is that gorgeous graph paper. Graph paper is my life, you guys. This grid paper is going to look stunning. And behind the grid paper is these beautiful flowers. And it's sort of a, I want to say like a dusty rose pink color. And then we get more paper like this. And it has oranges and pinks, and again, it's that grid paper. It is absolutely gorgeous. Over here we have some peaches on the opposite side, and these peaches again are like a dusty rose. It's not like a true peach color. Love that. So those are super pretty, and you can cut them, and you can use scrapbook. These are the scrapbook papers, so you can use them to maybe even make cards. And this is just hella cute. Like, it is little bums and they're in the heart, so really, really pretty. And at the back, there's that graphic. I love flowers, so just to see them all, it's stunning. And then last but not least is this beautiful peach Tetra Pak drink, and on the opposite side is the pink. Is a blush pink, and the flowers are a lighter pink. So it's beautiful scrap paper, scrapbooking paper that you can use for your dashboards, or even your if you do card making or anything like that. So, you know, honestly, everything is kind of your opportunity. Okay, next we get a brush pen. I'm gonna zoom in. We get this really pretty brush pen that I saw Shan mention about. And the brand is, hope you can see it, SIPA. And it looks like it is definitely kind of those Japanese calligraphy pens. And then there's the code in case you want to Google it. And that's what it looks like. So I saw Shan write something kind of to practice her calligraphy. So let's just kind of do the same thing. Sorry, I have like cords everywhere. And everything's just kind of everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to just zoom in to this piece of paper. And let's just kind of, I don't know, let's just write hello, and then I guess you can go over it. I'm not very good at calligraphy pens, so I'm doing it really fast. So it's kind of nice. It's really nice, sorry. The brush, the felt tip is super soft. So something to practice my calligraphy with. And she also gave us, through the digital box, some calligraphy worksheets to kind of work on. Next is we get this pin. Look at that. And this is one of those pins that you can pin on your jacket and things like that. So it's not a magnetic pin, but it's a hella cute pin. I will probably just pin it on my pouch so I don't lose it. Then we get this, again, beautiful grid washi. I love this. This is so cute, and it has rose gold hearts. And there it is. And you get quite a bit of washi. Can't wait to open you up. And I like to save the packaging stickers, so I'm going to put them somewhere on my planner. But you guys, we don't just get one washi. Oh, no, no, no. We get 2 washi tapes. So here is the hearts. And again, there's that graph paper, grid paper. I love it. So super stoked about that. Okay. Now, oh, you know what I should have shown you in the beginning? So every time you order from Shan, she sends you journaling cards. So this is the journaling card, and on the back it tells you what you get. So you can pause the video, you can check it out, and this is all the goodies you get in the April Babe Box. So stinking cute, and I love this card. Just use it as a journaling card. And you got another card, another journaling card. So, oh girl, your nails are fresh. So here it is. Again, I love it. I can't wait to put this in my planner. Next, let's move on to the stickers, because I love the stickers. And this month we got a ton of die cuts. So let's look at the die cuts first. So I got the girl in the medium skin tone. If you've watched my other videos, I just really want my planner to kind of have little, you know, features that look like me and things like that. So it's really cute. So there's those cute little booties, little bumsies. And here's a girl. She's licking a heart lollipop. Yes. These ballerina shoes are so fresh. And then there are these stunning floral tattoos on her skin. Sorry, it's not focusing. There we go. After that, I love this juice box, this little Tetra Pak. It says peach. Then we have a honeybee babe. Look at her, looking hella fresh. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but there is a little peach right up there. And I just love how Shan has paid so much attention to detail. And what's so great when you subscribe to the Babe Box, and let me just remind you, I'm not getting paid to say this, is you get the digitals. Oh, look at this little peach. Love, love, love. And then those Polaroid cameras, but look at it. It says Jess Peachy on the camera frame. So love that. Then we also get this really pretty like decal. I call it a decal. And it is pink, so I'm probably gonna put this in my planner. Love that. I saw a planner girl put it on her car, but no, I got Super Mario on my car. So here is a sheet of stickers, nice matte sheet of stickers. The size is similar, but again, you get the digitals, so you can always resize them to make them how you want them to be. Here's another sheet of stickers. Absolutely stunning. Did you see that? That was called gravity, you guys. That was gravity. That was gravity. Working its way in my life. Just living that gravity life dream. So anyways, and then we got another page of stickers that says you're a peach, and then they're full box stickers. And this just says Peachy Peachy in a gradient. And again, it is that nice matte paper. Super, super cute. So functional. Like I can't wait to use this. I'm feeling I'm going to use it for my June setup. because my May already has some stuff going on. Then we got some half boxes, and the colors are that black and dusty rose and pink. Then some check boxes and some banner washies. And look at these, how cute they are. Oh my gosh, they're little squares with bows on them. And then page flags. I don't know if I saw these before, so I can't wait to see what other people do with them. And then this is always my favorite sheet of stickers because of the expressions and the fonts and just how functional everything is and the date covers. So I really, really enjoy this as well. So you'd think that'd be it, right guys? Nope. So one more thing. Here is the pen, and it looks like a little peach. Look at that little peach bum. So it is pink. I got the pink pen, and it is a fine tip pen. I'm not going to take off the rubber, but I can't wait to use it because these are my favorite pens to write in my chunky mini. So that's it. That's it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed everything and you've seen everything. And yeah, I can't wait to use all this fun stuff. Look at all this amazing stuff. And I don't think I'm missing anything. Definitely don't, but it's a lot of things that you get in the Babe Box. So I'm so happy that I am a subscriber. I can't wait to continue to subscribe. And yeah, check it out. And please tag me or like Instagram me your setups because I'd love to see how you've set up your planner using the Babe Box. All right, thanks you guys. Bye.